Hello my dear children of class 2. So today we will continue with EVS, the first chapter, Me and My Body. And the subtopic is parts of the body, right? Head, shoulder, knee and toe. Do you know that? Come. So let's begin this class with a song. Head, shoulder, knee and toe, okay? And follow them.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
So children, in your previous class, class 1, you must have learned about your different parts of your body, isn't it? You have got ears, one nose, eyes, right? And in class 2, we are going to learn again parts of the body, but little more in detail. Fine? Now, parts of a body are divided into two parts. What? External organs and internal organs. So what can you guess by the word external organs? Like your head. You can see your head, isn't it? Hands, your ears, your legs, right? So the parts, the body parts which you can see are called external organs, like your neck, right? Your eyes, your knees, your shoulder. These are all your external part, your external organs, right? And you know, what is your hands used for? Even your fingers to hold something, to hold a pencil, to hold a bottle. Fingers are used to hold and then write, isn't it? And we use our legs to walk, right? And to run. Fine? We see the world around us with our eyes, right? Yes. What a beautiful weather, isn't it? Yes. A colorful dress you can see with your eyes. And your shoulder, you can move your shoulder up and down, and when you carry your bag, right? And then you have got what? Ears, external organs, ears. And with ears, what do? We listen, right? We hear when the birds are chirping, noise of the vehicles. So with the help of our ears, we hear, right? So children, our body is divided into external organs and internal organs. So I have spoken about external organs. Now what do you mean by internal organs? Internal parts. Internal means in, right? Inside our body. Can you see inside your body? Can you see your heart? Can you see anyone's heart? Can you see anyone's lungs? No, we cannot. So the organs, the parts which are inside our body and we cannot see them, those are called internal organs, right? Like what? Like your lungs, okay? Like lungs, heart, right? If you put your hand on the chest, you will feel the beat like this, bip, bip, you know? Yes, heartbeat, we get it, right? The heart is inside and it is working, right? We cannot see the heart. Okay, can you see your brain? Can I see anyone's brain which is inside our head? No, we cannot see the brain. But you know what is the use of our brain? Help us to remember things. We think, okay? We think, we remember, right children? So these are called internal organs. Your stomach inside, where the food goes through the pipe. When you eat, the food goes inside, it goes to the stomach, right? And your stomach helps to digest the food that you have taken. So these are the functions, right? And the body parts are very important. We have to take care of these internal body parts as well as external body parts, because that helps us to know our surrounding. Right, children? Internal organs and its functions. Brain. Brain controls all body parts and organs. It helps us to learn and remember things. It helps us to do various activities. Heart. Heart pumps blood inside our body. Stomach helps to digest food. Lungs. There are 2 lungs. It helps us to breathe in and out. External organs and its functions. Eyes. Eyes helps us to see things, to read, to watch TV, etc. Right? Ears. Ears helps us to hear different sounds. Nose helps us to smell. Hands helps us to write, to hold things, and many more activities. Legs. Legs helps us to walk, to run, to jump. Fingers. Fingers help us to turn pages, to hold things. Let us read parts of the body. So I have already told you about external organs and internal organs. Let us read. Our body is made up of many parts or organs. Some parts can be seen by us and are called external organs. Like what? Parts of a body such as head, neck, hands and legs are some of our external organs. Fine? Like fingers. Our external organs help us to do many different things. Our legs help us to walk. Our hands help us to write, hold things, make things, etc. Now, what are internal organs? The parts which is inside a body and we cannot see them. Now, some body parts are inside our body and cannot be seen by us. They are called internal organs. The heart, lungs, brain and stomach are some of the internal organs. Can you see all this part? Can you see anyone's heart? No. Can you see the lungs and the brain and stomach? No. So these are all inside our body. Fine? Let us learn about what are the functions of all these internal organs. Right? Brain. Where is your brain? Look here. Your brain is inside, which helps you to think. Right? The brain controls our body. It helps us to think, learn and remember things. It also helps us to do various activities. If you place your hand on the left part of your chest, you will feel something beating. It is the heart. It pumps blood to all parts of your body. The food that we eat goes inside a bag-like organ called the stomach. Look here. Where is the stomach? Stomach is here. It is bag. It looks like a bag. Okay. So whatever we eat, it goes through this pipe and goes to our stomach. The stomach helps us to digest food. We have 2 lungs. See here, lungs. 2 lungs. Where it is? 1 and 2. Right? They help us to breathe. Right? You breathe in and you breathe out. And the lung helps us to breathe.
New words. Organs means parts of the body. External means outside the body. Internal means inside the body. Functions: work and activity done by body parts. Thank you.